Very cold. You know good? Or
Yeah.
not? Yeah? What was your favourite?
Noise.
Hey?
Noisy. Is that fake coffee?
Yeah.
Fake coffee, right? Fake.
Let me go.
Master.
Boss man.
Boss. So this is the car that
Charlie.
we're going to fix. Yeah. Doing, mate?
Good, Jordan. How are you?
Guys, this is Race.
Hello. Hello.
Race. Guys, this is Sakon. Sakon.
Scotty is his nickname.
This is parts last day today.
No, not last day today.
Not
next
today,
week.
Next week.
next Friday.
You want me gone, sir? You want me gone?
No.
Best friend is Joban, who is not here.
Joven.
No.
Joven is your best friend?
No.
Akshay. Okay.
Scotty.
Scotty. Scotty.
Scottish best friend is not him.
That's kind.
Guys, 12:30, lunch break na. So uuwi ako ng bahay guys kasi malapit lang naman, 1.5 kilometro lang. Congrats pala guys doon sa mga nagme-message sa akin, sa mga successful yung assessment, at saka sa mga nag-grant din na family visa na DIY. Congratulations sa inyo. Ako po ay masaya dahil doon sa tagumpay ng inyong application. Yan, pupunta na ako sa sakyan ko. Meron pala tayong sasagutin guys na nagtatanong doon sa DIY natin na vlog. Magkano daw yung yan. So magkano yung nagastos? Meron akong codex ito, ginawa ko guys. So unahin natin ay yung visa fee. Ang visa fee ay 3,513 EUD. 3,513 sa Philippine money nasa nasa 129,981, mga malapit na sa 130,000. At doon naman sa medical, sa Nationwide Makati sila nagpa-medical. Yung sa partner ko ay 7,680 pesos. At yung sa anak ko naman na 11 months old ay 3,540. So in total of 11,220. Then last ay doon sa plane ticket. Yung plane ticket po namin ay nabook po siya 7 weeks before yung flight. Tapos one way po, Philippine Airlines. So 37,000 yung nagastos doon sa sa plane ticket one way. Yung total guys ng visa fee, medical, then plane ticket ay 178,700. So hanggang dito lang muna tayo guys. Salamat sa panonood. Paalam pansamantala.